hit up Olaf's for DIY. In my box here I've got a delivery from Amped Garage. I'll have a link in the description. My right rear door speaker hasn't been sounding right lately. Sounds like it's blowing. Getting distortion, especially on a song that has a lot of piano or mids. What I found is the rear door speaker is riveted in place, and it's going to take a special adapter ring, and Amped Garage provides that. This is inside the box. Got my jumper wires here that'll just make the speakers plug and play. Got the adapter plates for the rear door speakers. Got some spacers in there, screws, and the mounting or the adapter rings. AmpedGarage.com. These are adapter plates for your rear shelf speakers, so for those of you who don't have a rear shelf speaker, this is a great option for you to use to be able to mount a speaker. These rear door speakers are the same speakers that you could use for your rear shelf. These are 4-inch round speakers. Watch as we go through this process of changing out the rear door speakers in the Tesla Model 3. Alright, so now for the door panel removal. There's a clip right here on the front part of the handle. Cover plate, take that off. Got a Torx 30. Screw out. There's another one here on the bottom, kind of where both switches are is where these Torx are located. Alright, that's it. So I've already replaced the right door speaker, and this one I'm going to videotape and show you guys a few lessons learned, and just to make this video process a little smoother. Not to mention, when I did the other side, the camera shifted on me and really didn't have a good picture of things. So the door panel is very, very easy to remove. And I just ran the tool down here. All right, I've got the door panel positioned so we can work on it and see everything. I'm going to disconnect the connector from the Tesla speaker. Now we'll be drilling out the 3 plastic button head rivets. Here's a close-up of the speaker. You can see the 3 button head plastic rivets hold it in place. Let's start drilling these rivets out. Start with this one first, it's here by the cord. Alright, next rivet. And the final rivet. Now we're going to break the rivet heads off. We'll punch in here, kind of work it around until it snaps out. There you go. Just like that. The rivet snaps right off. That one went flying. I'll find it for you. There you go. There's a plastic rivet. And then the final one. Here it is on my punch. So the rivets are drilled off, speaker removed. All right, now that we're done drilling, I'm going to clean up my mess. All right, dicing did its job. Okay, so the next step after you drill out the plastic rivets is to cut the remainder that may be left. Now there's kind of a 3 prong coming off of where this plastic rivets were, but there may be like a plastic hollow shaft left there. So just with a simple razor blade, we're gonna cut that off. Cuts really easy, soft plastic. There you go. My other 2, now this one I'll clean up just a little bit, but they came off pretty clean when I drilled it off. They broke out. All right, so that's it. Let me back in real quick again. All right, here's a comparison of the Tesla original speaker with the new speaker. As you can see, it's like a carbon or a phenolic material. This is the Fatal speaker. You see the prongs. This one has 3, which is the standard 4-inch Tesla Model 3 speaker. It goes on the rear deck, rear doors, and the forward dash. And this speaker obviously comes with the 4 mount points, and that's why we need this amp garage adapter ring. So let's get that fitted. Here's the amp garage ring. I'm going to put the speaker in, put the terminals where I want them, the direction I want them in. We'll go for something like this. Looks good. Alright, so now we're going to install the amp garage adapter ring. It does say amp garage, pretty cool. And let's get this thing lined up. It all goes on a certain direction. Yeah, got it right off the bat. Okay, so we've got the 3 spacers and 3 screws needed now to mount this speaker. There's one larger spacer, and that's going to go out here on its own. And then the 2 smaller ones have, 2 smaller ones are closer to where the speaker mount are, so we'll put those there. Now I'll put the remaining 2 screws in. A thick and a thin. The thick is for the positive and the thin is for the negative. Really high-end terminals are gold plated. Put that on the speaker here. Connect the wire. I've installed the 3 screws and made the connection for the speaker. Alright, now we'll put the door panel back on. First step to putting the door panel on is there's 3 clips right here. They go here in this channel. So get those in. Now just a matter of, there's alignment pins all over here, and you want to make sure that they're just aligned with the holes. Now it's as easy as give a little tap tap. Put our cover back on the door panel. That's it. It's done. So that's really all there is to it for the installation of the rear door speaker. It's really easy swap out. Both doors took under an hour, and that's with me videotaping it. I've been driving around the past few days with the speakers installed, and I can honestly say I do notice a difference. Sat in the rear seat and really cranked it up, and It sounds really good. With the rear deck speakers and now these higher output rear door speakers, the rear sound is terrific, and the back seat, I actually almost like it better than the front seat. I'm not sure if the reason why my rear door speaker on the right side blew, if it was because of the Hansho version F, maybe putting some more amperage there than it was used to, or just a bad defect from the factory. Regardless, I didn't want to use Tesla for a warranty claim since I've modified my audio system, and this actually ended up being an upgrade, so I'm really happy with it. I know I've been plugging Amp Garage here a little bit, but I'm really happy with that. Really impressed with the product that they offer. They do offer the speakers. You can buy those as part of the package. Had I known that these adapters existed, I would have bought these and the speakers and been done with my rear deck on my car instead of buying a whole rear deck off eBay. Happy to inform all of you about this product and show you how to change the rear door speakers. So in case you run the same situation I'm in or ever want to upgrade, now you know how to do it. So once again, thanks for watching Hit Up All Loss for DIY. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.